I can predict your English future. You'll spend years stuck because of one simple grammar choice. Welcome back to English with Andrew. I'm Andrew, and today we're fixing the main mistake that holds people back from speaking confidently about what's next. My friend Sarah is here with us. Hi, Sarah.
Hey, Andrew. I'm feeling great today. Really looking forward to our chat.
I can tell. And you just used a fantastic piece of future language. You said, I'm looking forward to. That's the energy we need. Because talking about the future shouldn't feel like science fiction. It's about your real life, your real plans.
Exactly. It's booking a ticket, meeting a friend, or even just deciding what's for dinner.
100%. And before we dive into your future plans, we've got one quick important ask. If these lessons help you, please take 1 second to subscribe and hit the like button. It tells YouTube you want more, and it helps me reach more learners just like you.
And send this to a friend who's also on their English journey. Everything's better with a study buddy.
All right, let's unlock the future. The core of it all comes down to 2 tiny words, will and going to.
Right. They seem identical, but they send completely different signals.
They do. Let's start with going to. This is your planning tool. We use this when you've already made a decision. You've thought about it before this moment. Sarah, what's something you've already arranged for this weekend?
Well, I already decided this Saturday I'm going to see a movie with my sister.
Perfect. I'm going to see. You decided in the past. It's a plan sitting in your calendar. I'm going to start a new course. I'm going to move house. These are all premeditated.
So it's for intentions, things I intend to do.
Exactly. Now, will is different. Will is for the moment of decision. It's spontaneous. Imagine your phone buzzes with a message right now.
Oh, I'll check it.
See, you didn't plan to check it before our conversation. You decided that second. That's will. It's also for promises and offers. I'll help you with that. I'll always remember this.
So going to is for my pre-made plans, and will is for instant choices or pledges.
You've got it. But here's where it gets fun and where real fast English lives. In casual speech, going to almost disappears. We squeeze it down to gonna.
Gonna. I hear that all the time in songs and shows.
Constantly, I'm going to visit my family becomes I'm gonna visit my family. It's informal, but it's the sound of everyday conversation. Important note, write going to in emails. Speak gonna with friends. Let's practice. Sarah, tell me about a dream vacation you're intending to take.
Okay. Next year, I'm going to travel to Japan.
Amazing. Why Japan?
Because I love the culture. I'm going to explore Tokyo, and I'm going to try so much incredible food.
Those are solid plans. You're using going to perfectly. Now, imagine we're in a Tokyo restaurant. The server asks for your order. What do you say?
I look at the menu, and I decide right then. I'll have the ramen.
Yes. I'll have is the natural choice for ordering. It's a decision made in the moment. The future isn't a mystery. It's a choice between a plan and a promise. Now, to make your future sentences crystal clear, we use time markers. Words like tomorrow, next week, in an hour, soon.
So I can say, I'm going to call my parents this evening?
Perfect. The listener knows exactly when. But wait, there's a third, advanced way natives talk about the future. Sometimes we use the present continuous tense, like, I'm meeting someone later.
But isn't that for right now?
Usually, yes. But if you have a fixed, scheduled arrangement, often with other people involved, you can use it for the future. It shows it's 100% certain.
Like, I'm flying to Paris on Tuesday because the ticket is booked?
Exactly. For beginners, going to is your safe, powerful tool. For quick decisions, use will. And when you're feeling advanced, use the present continuous for rock-solid plans.
So I'm having a job interview at 3 p.m. That sounds definite and professional.
It does. Speaking of the future, Sarah, Do you have any big life-size plans? Think 5 years from now.
Wow, big question. In 5 years, I'm going to write a novel.
Really? That's an incredible goal.
It's a deep dream of mine. I'm going to write a story about language and connection.
I love that. And you used going to for that life plan.
I did. And I promise, Andrew, I'll send you the very first copy when it's done.
That's a will promise. See, we're using it all naturally now. It's not scary grammar, it's just sharing what comes next. So, to everyone watching, don't be afraid. Talk about your weekend, your career, your dreams. Ask yourself, is this a prior plan? Use going to. Am I deciding now or making a promise? Use will. Looking at the clock, it seems our time is nearly up.
It flies when you're mapping out the future.
It really does. I feel ready to make some plans. You're going to see a movie, and I'm going to finally organize my bookshelf.
A noble plan. Before we finish, we'd love to hear from you.
Yes. Tell us in the comments, what is one thing you are going to do this week? Start your sentence with, I'm going to, and share your plan with our community. We read every single one.
And please, if this helped you, give this video a thumbs up. It makes a huge difference.
And subscribe to English with Andrew for more clear, confidence-building lessons. Share it with someone who needs to plan their English future today.
Thanks for learning with us. Have a wonderful week ahead.
Bye for now.